This is brand new, never been used.
Yeah, we bought them from Bunnings. They were incomplete. They had parts missing, like the leads and things.
Oh,
That's a good trick.
it's a good trick. So we'll just swap the lid on here, and we'll see if this will work. Okay. So that's how you remove it, and putting back here the big MIG welder.
Yeah, almighty.
Okay.
Okay. Now, it's supposed to be a washer and a bloody spring, according to the manual I just read.
Okay. So you can.
Now what's the geo here? I don't have a bloody lead. An earth lead.
So you need the earth lid for the big MIG welder.
Yeah. So.
So we stuff off, because this
Oh.
one don't have any.
No, that one is hardwired. This one's a oh no, wait there. Oh yeah, there's an earth lead. I can't even go into Bunnings and buy one.
Okay. So to be continued.
Whoa.
So we'll just put the, what you call this, wire? We'll just assemble it, and then if you have the earth.
So it looks like this one can take the big spools of wire. Okay. Or is it? I don't know. Yeah, maybe that's the adapter. See, that you can get the big 10-pound, 4 kilos or whatever they are.
You want
no.
to put the.
Wow.
Okay.
Turned out a mess, didn't it? Oh my God.
So this is the switch.
Oh, what's going on?
Switch. Different from this one.
Oh, you fool. Where's the wrong one? I haven't read the manual on this one.
Yeah?
I haven't read the manual on this one.
Oh, okay.
Only on the other one. Yeah. What I want to do to save this wire.
Just wind it like that.
I'll put that over there. Kinked it. It's not good.
It's kink.
Well, if you kink them,
Yeah, it won't feed to
it
the.
won't feed through the Duva. Alright, so what we're going to do.
Okay, don't kink it, so cut it. Where.
Alright,
Okay, I'm holding this so it won't spring back.
okay. Wind with that. I'll just put that. That's supposed to spring up. Yeah, I wonder what wire it's set for. See, 0.8. They only have. Oh, I certainly. Oh, I just fallen off the back there. Oh, are you letting it go?
Yeah.
Am I just pulling on my... There we go. Now if I put that down there, put that up there. It comes out there, see?
Mm.
Yeah,
So, is it okay to release this? I think.
probably. Now just pull this up here a bit. That clamps onto there. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
We
I've
need
got
the
no
earth.
earthly now, which is A and which is B? Oh, where's that brush?
Okay, so if you have the earth, you are ready to go. Just
Yeah,
plug it in
We
and
don't have an earth. We
yeah.
haven't got a car to go and buy one.
Mm.
Alright, so what I do,
So now we fix the problem on how to transfer the wire, the lead, to the other MIG welder. So we just turn the thing on, even there's no earth, just to feed the...
where'd it go? I bloody fell down again.
Ay, naku.
Bloody hopeless.
So you need to remove the nozzle and
Okay.
you can trigger it in the right...
Just see if the... Oh, that has
What's-
to be straight.
Yeah,
You hold that out there.
okay.
Bit of a curve. Well, it is a curve. That will.
Yeah, yeah.
This will go on to speed up. Right, feel it coming. See it?
There, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Turn it back a bit. Yeah.
You want me to turn it off?
Well, we have no way of
Yeah. Okay, it's
Right.
off.
what are those? Where are those